Sponsored by Bulldog Models. Organise your hobby bench with high quality 3D printed scale model organisers, accessories and much more to make your life as a scale modeler easier. Visit the website and use code MOS5 for a 5% discount off your order today. Link to the website in the description box down below. Hi guys, it's Moz here from MOS6510 Models. We have reached 3,000 subscribers. I never thought I would get more than 1,000, but to hit 3,000 has been absolutely wonderful. I want to thank you all, every one of you that subscribed, who watch the videos, who ask questions, who comment, who like, who share my videos. It's been an absolute blessing. Thank you so much for being part of this channel. For that, I have been doing a little bit of collecting, and I've decided that I'm going to do a subscriber giveaway. Basically, I'm going to be giving away a load of prizes. There's going to be 10 prize groups, okay? So there'll be a first prize, there'll be a second prize, and there'll be 8 third prizes, basically. And they're going to be involving kits, they're going to be involving accessories, and you're going to be getting a sticker and a woven patch. But let's just see what first prize is going to be. The Humbrol HE111H6 or 111, depends how you want to say it. This is the Motorhead special edition for the 40th anniversary of Motorhead's Bomber. So basically the story is that the artist built an Airfix plane, the Humbrol, and sprayed it completely black so he could see how it would look when he did the artwork for the album. That is going to be part of the first prize. Part of that prize will also be this accessory kit from Bulldog Models. I'm very good friends with the owner of Bulldog Models, and I asked him if it would be possible if he could come up with something for me, and he's done this. Now, if you go on their website, you will know that this isn't a color that you can get. This is a special edition, limited edition. He only does these occasionally. You can't buy them, they're either given to you, and it's the marble effect. Now, as you know, I use Bulldog Models all the time. I have my own. This is the Flory wash holder for three of their bottles there, and this is my favorite. I've done a review on this. You can see the link. I'll put it up there. I think I'll put it. And this is for the Tamiya and the Micro Sew holder. These are brilliant. You get one of them in this kit here. This is the as I said, this is for the Tamiya, so you can put your 3 glues in there and your Micro Set and your Micro Sew. Very handy to have on your bench. You're getting one of them. You're getting his paint palette, which comes with lids, and there's a video on his channel which explains how to use a wet palette. This here is the MIG ammo weathering station, so you can put your MIG ammo stuff in there. I actually do have some MIG ammo stuff. Let me just have a look. Will they fit? This is the... There it is. This is for the oil brushes. I've also got some MIG ammo washes here that will fit. Let's just put them in there so you can have all these in here. So yeah, this is basically what this does. It's brilliant, and there's even a place there. Whoops, not that one, it's them ones there. There's even a place to put some of your brushes. I do have one of my own, and I will be doing a review on this, but this is the MIG ammo station, the MIG ammo set, weathering station set. So you will get, let's take these off, what a mess already. You will get this, including the special tray that comes with it, and finally you get his aircraft holder. This is a lovely piece of kit. It works really well. It's for when you want to put your planes on. There you go. Do you want to put your planes on? It holds it all in position. You can do 1 to 48 and 1 to 72. So this here, because I've moved into the attic, this is one of my very first models I ever built. Look at the state of that. Wow, look at that. Crumbs. You know, this is history. It's got a nasty little chip there. You will also get the sticker, and you will also get the woven patch. The second place prize will be 4 of these. These are starter sets. You'll be getting the Hunting Percival Jet, the Messerschmitt BF109E, whoops, that one's upside down, the Fokker Wolf FW190A8, and the Supermarine Spitfire Mark 1A. They come with the paints, they come with the brushes and the glue, and this will be second place. You would also receive one of these stickers and also the woven patch as well. And for third prize, there's 8 of these to give away. You will either receive a Spitfire or the Fokker Wolf, the Hurricane or the Messerschmitt or the Jet with one of these stickers and also a woven patch. So I've got plenty of models here that I'm going to be using for these prizes, and hopefully you'll be able to win one of them. So how do you get involved in the competition? Well, basically all you have to do is be a subscriber to the channel, okay? Like this video, but finally there's a link in the description down below. Look in the description and it will give you a link where you would sign up, and then that way I'll be able to collaborate all the names. And if you get a message from me, please reply, because what I'll do is I will get 10 people and find out who they are, and then we will put the names into a hat and we will draw who wins first, second or third. I say I will cover in all the cost of this. Bulldog Models actually have been brilliant. They've sponsoring this competition. Now, I've not asked for any money. I've even bought the prizes myself. But what the sponsorship deal really is mostly for you guys. He has put on his website a code. It's MOS Models 5. And if you go to his website and want some of his accessories, just as you go through the checkout, put in that code MOS Models 5 and you'll get a 5% discount on your order. So as I said, I've not done this for my profit, if you know what I mean. I've done it for you guys, so everyone's a winner. So whether, you know, so hopefully you'll subscribe and there'll be more videos coming very soon. Again, it's been amazing. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below and I do reply, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.